वेळसांव चलपी रेल्वे रुळाचे दुपेटीकरणाचें काम ज्या नेटान चलता ते पळयलें जाल्यार कायदो आनी सुवेवस्था पुराय तरेन कोसळपाक लागल्या अशें मत गोंयचो एकवट संघटनेचो वांगडी ऑरवील रॉड्रिक्सान परगटायला. थळाव्यांनी तशेंच जमीन धन्यांनी ह्या प्रकल्पाचो निशेध करून लेगीत सरकार हातूंत लक्ष घालना. आरव्हीएनएलान घातिल्ल्या परवान्याच्या आदाराचेर ह्या कामाक सुरवात जाल्या आनी ते बंद करपाक मेळना अशें पुलीस सांगता. देखून थळाव्यांच्यो जमिनी कब्जावन हो सरकार कितें सिद्ध करपाक सोदता काय असो प्रश्न ऑरविलान उपरासला.
आज आमी हिंगा चोयता की टोटल देर इज अ कोलॅप्स ऑफ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. इट इज कमिंग टू दॅट नाव. पीपल आर एजिटेटेड. Authorities must understand that whichever the authorities there, the central government or whoever, they cannot at their will enter heritage areas and ancestral properties and do construction without even intimating the owners. They are encroached, criminally trespass and encroach these areas. And today what we see is gross violation of every act in the land. Now what are these laws for? Let us be like the Wild West. That is what the government I think is thinking. कोणाचे घरांत येता केन्ना जायत्या फोडणीता. The PSI was here. We appealed to him to at least ask the RVNL to maintain a status quo. He's saying no. I have got instruction from my higher ups from the deputy collector not to stop any work. When the land is violated, the deputy collector is also supposed to be part of he's a government servant. He has to come and to look into these issues. He has to come on the ground, not sit in his office and decide what matters for the public, local population. And so, Zorian काम चलता हिंगा वेलसांव. प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी एनक्रोच करून झाड कातवले, माड आले हिंगा, माड उडयले, नाच केले. माड देखून नाही. एक पॅड दिसपना माडाचें. एक लायन याचो लायन आले ती माड उडयली, झाड उडयली. हांव म्हणटा हें कितें चलना.